Say, cowboys, do you know anything about cattle?
I sure do, Diamond Lil. We know all about cattle and a little song about it, too.
The cattle are calling, the coyotes are howling, way out where the ponies go. Their spurs are jingling, this cowboy is singing this lonesome cattle call.
He rides in the sun till his day's work is done, and he sings with an old western drawl. Singing his cattle call.
He will ride through the range far and wide, where the night winds blow up a squall. His heart is a feather in all kinds of weather. He sings his cattle call.
He's proud as a berry from riding the prairie. He sings with an old western drawl.